Hey there, speaking to you is the head chaser at forexchasers.com, and I'd like to thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video that we've got planned out for just you. So now this video is about the introduction to Forex, and it explains everything that you need to know in order for you to be able to decide whether you want to be part of the market or not. And what we believe in as a team is that each and every youngster out there, and even old people, deserve to be impacted with the knowledge so that they can be able to impact the nation in a positive manner. So what happens is that I'm going to dive into the PC here, and you guys are going to see on how you can access this video that we've got planned out for you for free. That's one thing that I like about it. So come dive in and let's see what we've got here.
Okay, so what you guys can do is that visit the website forexchasers.com, and then it will take you to this page, and then press on the view official site. It will redirect you to the page. Okay, you're at the page, at the home page. So now what you do is that you scroll down to the FAQ, frequently asked questions. And then when you get there, you're gonna see whereby it states, do you guys offer any free content to get a preview of what Forex Chasers has? Press on click here, just press there, and then it will redirect you to this page whereby you'll be able to just press play and view the video. There you've got it.
I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video, and please do share it with your friends and family so that they can be able to see whether Forex is for them or not. Thank you.